Good morning, children. Today we will start with question number 9 of exercise 15.1. The upper rectangular surface of a table is 200 centimeter long and 50 centimeter wide. Find the cost of covering the surface completely with Sanmaika in rupees. You have seen in your home and in school the teacher's table is a rectangular and it is put Sanmaika at the top of the table. It is similar to that question. If Sanmaika cost rupees 25 paisa per square centimeter. Now, what is the length given? Length equal 200 centimeter. Long means length. Wide means breadth. Breadth means in your question it is given wide. It is given wide. Both is same. That is 50 centimeter. Now what to find out? We have to find out area. Area of rectangular rectangular surface. It is a tabletop. No need of writing so lengthy. Then what is the area formula? That is length into breadth. What is the length? Length is 200 and what is the breadth? That is 50. Now you multiply 2 5s are 10 and 1 2 30. What is the unit? It is centimeter square. Now what it is cost given? Cost it is given cost of 1 square centimeter Sanmaika. Sanmaika equal 25 paisa. So, what is the area of our Sanmaika? We have to find out. That is 10,000 centimeters square. So, cost of 10,000 centimeters square Sanmaika equal 1000 into 25. Now what it is given? 25 paisa per square centimeter. If you multiply, it will be 25 and 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be in paisa. If we have to convert into rupees, so we have to divide 25, 1, 2, 3, 4 paisa upon 100 because we know 1 rupee equal 100 paisa. 1 rupee equal 100 paisa. So cancel it. Then how much you are getting? 2500. 2500, that is rupees. So what was the question? Find the cost of covering the surface. The cost is rupees 2500. Is it clear? Now see question number 10. The wall of room are rectangular. Each wall is 3 meter long and 2 meter wide. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall when the rate of whitewashing is 10 paisa per square centimeter. It is also same. What is the length given? Length of wall, how much it is given? 3 meter. And breadth equal 2 meter. See, here it is meter, but whitewashing it is given in centimeter. We have to change this into centimeter. Now, what to find out? Area. Area of wall equal length into breadth. What is the length? That is 3 into 2. That is 6 meter square. Because the unit is meter, that's why its unit will be meter square. Now, area of 4 walls of the room. How many walls are there? 4 into area of wall. 4 into area of wall is how much? 6. That means 24 meter square. Now this meter square we have to change into Yes, centimeter. We know 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square will be 10,000 centimeter square. That means 24 into 1, 2, 3, 4 times 0 we have to multiply. So it will be 24 and 1, 2, 3, 4 times 0 centimeter square. So it will change 2,40,000 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cost of whitewashing. What is the cost given? Cost of whitewashing 1 centimeter square equal 10 paise. So what is the area? That is 2,40,000. So cost of white washing 2,40,000. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros. So 2 4 1 2 3 4 zeros into 10 paise. How much it will come? 24. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros will come. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. It will be in paise. Is this step clear? Now we know 1 rupee equal 100 paise. This paise we have to change into rupees. So 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 0 upon 100. Cancel this 2 0 with 2 0. Now what is left? 24, 1, 2, 3 0. 24 and 3 0. That is rupees 24,000. That is rupees 24,000. So what was the question asked? What was the question asked? Find the cost of whitewashing. Answer will be the cost of whitewashing is rupees 24,000. Is it clear?